What's up, you guys? Dr. Insight here again. But today, I'm going to be showing you guys how to actually mount your wheel skirts better, because as you can see, I'm not the only one with this kind of problem where they start hanging, they start doing this kind of diddly, and then bad things happen. So I'm going to show you guys today where I actually hook them on and how to actually get your clips back to where they should be. And your clips should actually be real close to the body, so you want the best fitment you can get. All right, wheels were really dirty, so I gave them a wash real quick. It's tire shine sitting on there. So where the original little clips go is right here. Where we're gonna go is through here. So you have to push this back to slip your zip tie through. And the same with this side. You're not gonna use the original hole. We're gonna use the opening right above the hole. We're gonna come back on the back side with the clip. I apologize for not actually getting seriously thorough step-by-step of this, but I still have to use another hand for this. You're gonna fit this in here like this. So it's just gonna do a little bit of that kind of motion, but you wanna make sure you get it right in the clip when you do it. So when you slide it up, the clips hold nice and tight. And it's gonna take a few tries. You're not gonna get it right the first time. Oh wow. To my dismay, I got that one on pretty much how it should be. And then we're gonna go through with our zip ties. We're gonna fasten this hole. We're gonna use the standard hole right here in our actual skirt. And then we're gonna fasten it to that little square piece that I showed everybody just a second ago. So we're gonna go through the hole here, and we're gonna go back through the square area. Oh, quiet phone. Quiet phone. I am busy doing YouTube things. If done correctly, you should have a pretty good fit there. Of course, you come through, finish your job by snapping your zip tie. Yeah, she's in there. Tuck her all up so nobody can see your zip tie. Beautiful. So just like the other side, actually, I'm not gonna lie to you, I was today years old when I found out there was a clip here and here as well. But I think my skirt's screwed up, so it's missing that clip. But now she won't be doing the slippy slide. So once again, we got our one clip right here, and then we got our clip on the back side, a little square area that we're gonna put the zip tie through. We're gonna go through the hole in this. So we're gonna go up through here. We're gonna go up above that where the clip is supposed to go, that little square area. And I don't have any plastics up front, so I don't have to fight it. All right, you're gonna clip it. And that's that. I got a little gap back here, but like I said, it's because I don't think this side skirt actually has a clip. I think it's already broken. As you see, we had a little oopsie in the past. This had a little oopsie. It rubbed on the wheel a little bit before I had aftermarket wheels.
1 hour later.
Decided to do another project today. we're gonna get this lip fitted onto the Insight. Don't mind that piece falling off, we'll fix that later. It's gonna be an interesting fit, but I think it's gonna do pretty well if we do this right. So I think we've got the idea down. We're getting it all sized up. But now we're gonna have to go to the auto parts store. And I brought homie Justin into the vlog today. And his sick, what is this, Corolla? Yeah. Yeah, check this thing out. We're rolling in style today. Well guys, I'm not so good at actually recording when things are going on, but here's our finished product. After a little bit of cutting, trimming, and Frankensteining, we got this dang old Del Sol lip on this Insight pretty flush. We could do a little more trimming, but that'll come later. It shouldn't rub the tire, so I ain't too worried, but yeah. Pretty creative front lip thanks to Justin. Yeah. Short little video. That's all I got today. We're gonna go have some fun. See you guys.